Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The trouble code P0107 indicates a low voltage issue in the Manifold Absolute Pressure (MAP) sensor circuit of the Honda Civic models from 2022 onwards. This error triggers when the output voltage from the MAP sensor falls below a specified threshold, prompting the Powertrain Control Module (PCM) to conclude that there's an anomaly. The MAP sensor plays a vital role in measuring the intake manifold pressure, which is crucial for proper air-fuel mixture calculations. The PCM uses this data to manage engine performance and emissions. When the MAP sensor output is low, it can affect engine operation, leading to various performance problems. Therefore, timely diagnostics and repairs are essential whenever this DTC appears. DTC P0107 signifies that the Manifold Absolute Pressure (MAP) sensor's output voltage has dipped below acceptable levels, leading to circuit abnormalities as determined by the Powertrain Control Module (PCM). The MAP sensor is essential for monitoring the pressure within the intake manifold, influencing both fuel efficiency and emissions. Typically located in the intake manifold, the sensor detects changes in air pressure to aid in adjusting the fuel mixture for optimal engine performance. If this sensor fails or its wiring is compromised, the PCM cannot accurately gauge engine load, potentially causing issues like stalling, poor acceleration, or increased emissions. It is crucial to address any anomalies with the MAP sensor promptly to ensure smooth engine operation. There are several possible causes for the DTC P0107 error, each requiring careful investigation. A faulty MAP sensor is one common cause. If the sensor itself is damaged or malfunctioning, it cannot send the correct voltage signals to the PCM. Wiring issues are another significant suspect, including open circuits or short circuits that could affect the voltage reading. Additionally, a malfunctioning Powertrain Control Module (PCM) can misinterpret the signals it receives from the MAP sensor. Each of these problems disrupts communication between components and can lead to reduced engine performance. Thorough checks are necessary to identify the root cause accurately. The symptoms associated with DTC P0107 can significantly impact vehicle performance. Drivers may experience a noticeable reduction in engine performance due to improper fuel-air mixture adjustments. Stalling is another alarming symptom, occurring when the engine fails to maintain idle due to miscommunicated signals. Furthermore, poor acceleration is likely as the engine struggles to respond appropriately during throttle input, ultimately leading to a compromised driving experience. Increased emissions may also occur, as the engine may not burn fuel efficiently, contradicting environmental regulations. Recognizing these symptoms early can lead to timely repairs and prevent further damage. The first troubleshooting step for diagnosing DTC P0107 begins with turning the vehicle to on mode without starting the engine. This action powers the vehicle's onboard diagnostic systems, enabling them to monitor various sensor inputs, including the MAP sensor. With the vehicle in this state, the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, should be used to check the MAP sensor voltage. If this voltage reads below 0.23 volts, it confirms the presence of a malfunction, and the next phases of troubleshooting should be initiated. This procedure is crucial for establishing whether the low voltage is indeed originating from the MAP sensor, or, if further investigations are warranted, into associated wiring or PCM issues. In the second troubleshooting step, the MAP sensor's 3P connector should be disconnected to eliminate any interference during testing. After disconnection, the vehicle should again be set to on mode. Utilize a multimeter to measure the MAP sensor's output voltage, which should ideally be about 5.0 V. If the voltage is as expected, the map sensor is deemed functional, which indicates that the issue resides elsewhere in the circuitry or the PCM. However, if the voltage deviates from this normal range, it suggests that the map sensor is faulty and likely responsible for triggering DTC P0107. This helps narrow down the potential root cause effectively. The third troubleshooting step involves inspecting the wiring associated with the VCC1 and PB circuits. First, ensure that the map sensor's 3P connector is still disconnected along with the PCM connector E. This setup allows for a comprehensive inspection of voltage supply and ground circuits. When testing the VCC1 wire, the electrical resistance should ideally measure less than 1 ohm, indicating a good connection without interruptions in the circuit. Additionally, the PB circuit must be verified to confirm it is not shorted to ground, which would disrupt the normal operation of the map sensor. Both of these checks are critical to ensuring that the issue is centered purely around the map sensor and not due to faulty wiring or connections. The final step in troubleshooting DTC P0107 examines the powertrain control module, PCM, itself for malfunctions. This step is only undertaken if the previous checks related to the map sensor and associated wiring report normal results. The PCM is responsible for processing inputs from various sensors and controlling engine functions. So, if all other components are verified to be working correctly, the PCM may be at fault. A faulty PCM may not respond as expected, leading to incorrect readings and driving conditions. If identified as the source of the issue, a replacement or repair of the PCM will be required to resolve the DTC effectively. This detailed procedure helps isolate the problem effectively and facilitates optimal vehicle performance. After completing the necessary repairs for DTC P0107, the final step is to verify that the issues have been resolved. This begins by ensuring that all connections are secure and the replaced components are installed correctly. Using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, clear any diagnostic trouble codes that may have been logged during the troubleshooting process. Following this, conduct a test drive to confirm that the vehicle operates normally and that no new codes appear. This verification step is crucial to ensure that the repairs were successful and that the engine is functioning optimally without any lingering issues. A thorough follow-up helps ensure that the troubleshooting process addressed the underlying problem effectively. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in avoiding future occurrences of DTC P0107. Regular inspections of the map sensor can help detect issues early, before they affect engine performance negatively. Technicians should also assess the wiring connections associated with the map sensor frequently, looking for signs of fraying, corrosion, or wear. Keeping these connections clean and secure helps ensure proper voltage flow, reducing the likelihood of errors. Additionally, ensuring that the vehicle's entire electrical system is functioning well can prevent unwanted diagnostics from appearing. Adopting these preventive measures significantly enhances the longevity of the map sensor and overall engine performance. In conclusion, diagnosing and addressing DTC P0107 requires a systematic approach to ensure all potential issues are identified and resolved effectively. The map sensor is critical for maintaining optimal engine performance, and any disruptions in its functionality can lead to a variety of driving issues. By following the outlined troubleshooting steps, technicians can pinpoint whether the problem lies within the sensor itself, the wiring, or the PCM. Addressing identified issues swiftly is key to restoring engine performance and preventing further complications. Lastly, Implementing preventive maintenance practices can significantly minimize the recurrence of such trouble codes, ensuring a reliable and efficient vehicle operation over time. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.